So what up guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best currency pairs to trade as a forex beginner trader. So if you're already kind of an advanced trader that is already doing well in the pair you're trading, so you shouldn't bother watching longer in this video. So this video is meant for those beginner traders who are finding it difficult to choose a pair that suits their psychology as a forex trader. So if you're a forex trader, a beginner forex trader, and you're trading a pair that is as volatile as gold or US30, you're getting it wrong at this point, because those kind of pairs, they are not beginner friendly. They require a certain level of skill in order to trade such a pair, because price fluctuates very fast in such a pair. So as a beginner, you shouldn't consider trading such a pair. So there are two factors you need to consider in order picking a pair as a beginner forex trader. So first is the volatility of the pair, while secondly is the spread of the pair. So moving on to explaining volatility. Volatility is the way price fluctuates up and down on a particular currency pair. So pairs like gold, US30, price moves very fast in such a pair. So those pairs are not beginner friendly. So as a beginner forex trader, you should be choosing a pair that have less volatility, because such a pairs that are less volatility, more opportunities can be created in such a pair. You can easily spot out good opportunity to make profit in the forex market. So such a pair are beginner friendly and are mostly traded by traders. So pairs like the Euro USD, so which the Euro is the base pair and the USD is the quote pair. So Euro is the pair you are exchanging for the dollars. So if you predict that the Euro will get higher in price than the dollars at that particular point, and it goes to your prediction, you're making profit out of that. So if you predict that the Euro will get lesser than the dollars and it goes to your prediction, you're making profit out of that. So the first pair is the base pair, while the second is the quote pair. So choosing a pair that has Euro or USD or GBP, more opportunity can be created in such a pair, because those currency are mostly used currency in the world. So this kind of pairs, more opportunity can easily spot out more opportunity, because they are being traded by most traders in the forex industry. So if you're trading pairs like the Euro USD, GBP USD, AED USD, so I'll be showing you all the pairs you should be trading as a beginner trader right in this video. So stay tuned and watch all to the end of this video. So guys, for some of you already have a skill in forex trading, but you don't have much capital to make a living out of forex, so I'm going to be showing you a prop firm which you can purchase a challenge of a specific capital, and once you pass the challenge, you get funded immediately. You can say this is a funded next prop firm, or you can purchase a challenge right away, or you can also, if you're not ready to buy a challenge, you can try for free, so that you can be used to the rules of the prop firm, so you can know the rules and also practice make perfect. Also, you can have a free trial of the prop firm. Once you have passed the challenge and get funded, withdrawal is within 24 hours. Once they pay you within 24 hours, you have an extra $1,000 in your withdrawal balance, 15% profit share of profit made in the challenge you passed, and no time limit. You can trade with MT4 or MT5, and the drawdown is based on the balance. So that's a good benefit. So you have Evaluation Express and Stellar accounts, and also you can see the account size ranges from $6,000 to $200,000 account. You can see you have a profit phase 1 profit target 8%, phase 2 5%, and maximum daily loss 5%, maximum overall loss 10%, drawdown side based on balance. You can have profit split of up to 95%. So a leverage of 1:100. So you can hold trade within weekends, and so on. New trading is available, and once you pass the challenge, the money used in purchasing the challenge will be refunded back to you. You can see $6,000 account is $59, $15,000 is $119. So make sure you check it out with the link down below. So you choosing a pair that have less volatility is of good advantage to you as a forex trader. So you choosing a pair that price don't move very fast, that it is easy to understand, is of good advantage to you as a beginner forex trader, because it can help you understand the forex market very quicker compared to you trading pair that is as volatile as the gold or US 30. So those kind of pairs, they require a certain level of skill in order to trade such a pair. So the second thing you need to consider before choosing a pair is the spread. So you trading a pair that has a higher spread is not advisable. So trading a pair that has a low spread, like pairs that has the euros or USD or GBP. So because those pairs, they usually have low spread because these currencies are mostly used in the world. They are mostly used currencies in the world and are mostly traded currencies in the forex industry. So you choosing a pair that have the euro or USD or GBP is a good advantage and are usually beginner friendly pair because they are mostly traded by traders. You can easily spot out opportunity in such a pair. So, and they usually have a low spread. Their spread are very low. So as a beginner trader, you are trading pairs that pairs like the USD Turkish lira. Those pairs have very high spread because the broker take a lot of percentage in order for them to place such a trade for you. Those pairs have high spread because they are hardly traded by traders in the forex industry. So if you are a trader and you are using the forex brokerage to trade crypto pairs, they usually have very high spread because that's not the broker you should be using. But you cannot trade crypto on MT4 using a Bybit, a crypto broker account, a Bybit account. The link will be down below. You can create a Bybit account and connect your account right on MT4 and start trading crypto if you're a crypto trader. So trading crypto on a forex brokerage account is usually have high spread. So it's not that advisable as using the forex broker to trade crypto. So these factors you should consider. These two factors you should consider. First, the volatility and the spread of each currency you are trading. So these two factors are very important and will help maintain your psychology as a forex trader, and that is an advantage to you as a forex beginner to easily understand the forex market and easily make profit. So I will show you on this video the best pairs to start trading as a forex beginner trader, pairs that have less volatility and very low spread right in this video. So I will show you right on using the Baby Pips platform. So I'll just search Baby Pips pair volatility. So right here, I'll just click on volatility definition. I'll go head over to Baby Pips blog. So right now, you'll be seeing the pairs which you should be trading as a pairs that are beginner friendly. Look, as you can see. So as you can see, traders love a bit of volatility because it can mean more opportunity. When the pair has less volatility, more opportunity can be created in that kind of pair. A pair that have a nice volatility range. More opportunity can be created in such a pair. So when you are trading a pair that have less volatility and low spread, that's a very beginner friendly pair you should be trading because you can easily spot out opportunity and you can easily master trading using and trading a pair that has less volatility and less spread. So as you can see right on the video, pairs that have less volatility and less spread, as you can see, is odd USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS USD, USD card, and USD GBY. So if you're a beginner trader that is already trading pairs like this, you're on the right side of the market. You're on the right side, so you should be trading pairs that are like this because it creates more opportunity and you can easily master such a pair and also master trading when you're trading such a pair that has less volatility. You can easily become a profitable trader because you are trading a pair that moves slowly, don't move very fast, and can easily calm down and understand such a pair And also, when you understand pairs like this, you can also be able to trade pairs that have much higher volatility, because you have understand much of how to trade such a pair. So if you're a beginner forex trader, consider trading these pairs which are right here, which are on the list: odd AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS USD, USD CAD, and USD JPY. So pairs that have the euros, USD, and GBP, those kind of pairs, they usually have nice volatility and low spread, and are mostly traded by most traders in the forex industry. So those kind of pairs, opportunity can be easily spotted out compared to other pairs that, like let's say odd JPY or JPY card, something like that. Pairs like that, you can hardly spot out good opportunity in such a pair. So consider trading pairs that are mostly traded by most traders in the forex industry, because such a pair you can easily spot out good opportunity and easily make profits and easily understand the market when you trade such a pair like this. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you consider trading pairs which I have listed for you that have less volatility and low spread. Is of a good advantage to you. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I post a video like this. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on another video.